Today's video, I'm going to be doing a twist out, but it's going to be a little bit different than what I normally do because this time I'm going to be using grease to do my twist out. I know a lot of other YouTubers have been trying grease out, and most of them use Blue Magic. I decided to go with the Bronner Bros Super Grow instead. When I was a kid, my mom used to use Blue Magic in my hair, and I just really hate that smell now. But one thing I did notice, and this is why I kind of want to revisit the grease, is because my hair was so healthy and so long back then. It was thick from root to tip, and back then we didn't even, I don't even think we used conditioner. It's really weird. We definitely didn't use leave-in conditioner back then. All the products and stuff, we just used whatever shampoo and stuff was there. So it's basically shampoo and then grease, and that's it. We did not use conditioner when we were kids. And so I'm trying to just go back and visit that and see what's the big deal. I know a lot of people hate grease or whatever. I don't know if I hate it. I just stopped using it when I became natural because they just have all these butters and stuff out to style your hair with. But when I was, even when I was relaxed as an adult, I still use grease. And I actually use this grease, to be honest, and a couple other ones like maybe the Care Glossifier or something like that. Whatever. I mean, it's basically grease. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do my normal routine. My hair is washed and conditioned as usual. This smells, it says Super Grow Thickener with vitamin E, sage, and sulfur, and coconut oil. I know a lot of people hate coconut oil, so you wouldn't want to use this one. Maybe try something else. Sage smells okay to me, and the sulfur stinks, but I don't smell it in this product, so that's good. So I'm going to part my hair in sections like usual. And I don't normally, in my twist outs, I don't twist in a whole bunch of twists because I just hate twisting and then like you spend all that time twisting and then just to let it dry and then take it back out. That's just too much work for me, so I'm not going to do that. I'm gonna do it like in about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 8 twists is what I normally do. So I'm gonna spray it with water. And then I haven't used this in so long, I really don't even know how much I should use, so I'm gonna start with that much. Get a little bit more. As you can see, it kind of defines my curls a little bit. That's weird. I didn't know grease could do that. So then I'm just going to twist like normal. And when you're doing your twist, one thing to remember, don't, even if it starts getting a little bit thin at the bottom, don't borrow. Just keep going. And if you can't, you feel like I'm gonna seal the ends a little bit too. If you feel like you can't keep going, I can keep going because they're still about the same, both pieces. But if you can't, just at the ends, take it and just go like that. So that's what it looks like. I mean, it's saying you really, there's no, I don't see any difference. I mean, it feels a little stickier or greasier or whatever, but there's like no difference in the way it looks when I twist with any other product. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest. Okay, so the twists are done, and I will say one thing to remember is that grease is harder to distribute on your hair than like a curling cream or butter. So what I'm gonna do is sit under the dryer. I'm gonna try to get all the way dry in the dryer, but if not, I'm gonna sit under the dryer for a little while at least, and then just let it dry, air dry the rest of the way. I really want to sit under the dryer because I want to melt the grease in there, because like I said, it's hard to distribute, so I want to make sure that the grease is everywhere so I don't have any dry pieces. And I'm gonna put a little more on my edges too. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry and then I will be back with the results. Okay, so I sat under the dryer for a little while, maybe like 30 minutes, and then I ended up letting my hair just air dry and, you know, overnight or whatever. And so it's the next day and my hair is completely dry, and I just really can't wait to see how this twist out is gonna turn out with this grease. So I'm just gonna start unraveling. Okay, for one thing, I'll say, like, this Bronner Bros grease, the kind I use at Super Grow, it has like a smell. It's not a bad smell at all or anything, but I like don't smell anything on my hair. So if you're concerned about like the grease is gonna make your hair funky or whatever, it doesn't. Also, just touching my hair, I get like the feel of a little bit of grease, but it's nothing that's like gonna ruin your car seats or your furniture. And so as you can see, the twists are really super defined. See that? Not hard or crunchy at all like some of the styling products that you use because they want to provide hold. Since the grease is not supposed to be providing hold, it just like really just made my hair like super soft. Same thing here. Like I said, I did this the lazy way. I only did 8 twists. If you want a real like more defined look, you can of course do more twists. Now look at that. I mean, honestly, I'm being completely serious. This works just as good as like other styling products, if not like better than some of the ones that I've used. Like my hair is not crunchy at all, but yet you see all that definition? That's crazy. It looks shiny. So you, like with grease, you don't have to use another product to make your hair shine. Like with some of the other products, your hair might have definition, but it looks kind of dull. With the grease, it's already shiny, so you don't need to put anything else in there. Look how springy it is. It just bounces back. This is crazy. I don't know why people hate on grease so bad. Look how defined and fluffy this twist out is. Yeah. Yep, I'm definitely gonna use this again. This could be a go-to product. I mean, it's not even, grease is cheap. Come on, people. Who wants to spend a lot of money on products if you can get something cheap that does the same thing? Yeah. But yeah, definitely, I mean, I would just give it a try. It's so cheap, it's not like you're really gonna be wasting anything. I don't see anything wrong with it, nothing bad with it. It doesn't stink. It doesn't make my hair overly greasy where it's gonna ruin my furniture or car seats or anything like that, or my clothes. So I would say go ahead and give it a shot. So this is my review. I love grease and I'm gonna continue to use it. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go on and subscribe. And also click on the notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you later.